Hello everyone, welcome back, and this time we're in Lausanne. This is my hometown, this is where I was born, I grew up, and we want to do this vlog today. It's a special one because we're gonna introduce the new Samsung Galaxy S9. Because it's been a couple of years I work with Samsung now, and I've seen the whole collection from the S4, S5, S6, S7, S8 to the S9, and I think what they do is really crazy because they have new features, like the camera is insane. And I especially want to talk about the slow motion because I do action sports and everything looks so cool in slow motion when you do action things. So we're gonna start the vlog with something really fun about this new phone, and it is the Emojis. Alright, so first of all we're gonna start with creating my emoji, which is pretty simple. You just gotta create my emoji. Here I am, smile a little bit, hair off your face. Beautiful. So I'm a male, just like that. I think it takes some time to create it, and be ready for it. This is it. This is me. Wow. Beautiful. Which haircut? This, that. We use that one. A little cuter like that. Just put the skin tone a little more tanned because I look better tanned. You can change the hair as well. I think they call it. It's pretty much the right haircut. I should probably do this haircut, look a little bit better, but whatever. This is my haircut for now, and the hair not that blonde. Let's put blonde hair, and here it is. Should I put sunglasses? No. Look, that look pretty cool. No. So let's put no glasses. And about the clothes, I think I look pretty much today like this, like that. Let's keep that. So this is me today. I think my hair a little too blonde. Wait, let me put like that. That's better. Alright, okay. And this is my emoji. And now, what's gonna happen? It's gonna create a lot of emojis actions. So I can go in my pictures and I can send you, for example, Etienne. If Etienne, I'm falling in love with you, I can just send you this video. It's
Wow.
cute, right? Look
So
at this,
cute.
Etienne. So yeah, this is pretty much about it for the emojis. But the best part is about to come, because the real best part of the emojis is that. So look, I'm just gonna select that. Etienne, can you hold the camera please? Sure. So create my emoji, perfect. And now I'm just gonna transform into my emoji. Ready, set. Here I am, me in emoji. This is so cool. I love this option. Look, yeah. I can smile, I get sad. Well, anyway, that's awesome. But we're gonna head now to Lavo, the most beautiful place on earth, and show you the feature of the slow motion because this is insane. See you there. Wow. And here we are. This place is amazing. This is probably the most beautiful place on earth. We're in the Lavo, close to Lausanne. And this is where we're gonna test the first features on the new Galaxy S9. I'm gonna grab my skateboard to get some actions. Today's a little bit special. My brother. So my brother Mark joined us. He's the manager, coordinator, whatever he does. He's the only guy working in our team. And today he's got another job because he's gonna be filming you and me, Etienne.
Filming. Inception.
He's gonna be filming us filming. So this is the inception. So we're gonna give the camera to Mark.
Hey guys.
Take care.
And actually this is the first time Etienne and me are being filmed. This is so beautiful. You guys can see the couple now.
Yeah, finally.
So here's the Galaxy S9.
And we're gonna test the slow-mo.
The first thing we're gonna test is slow motion. It's a slow motion in 1080p, 240 frames per second. So let's check that. Let's go on the wind zone. Oh, that looks good. That looks so beautiful. Alright, so let's check it now. I'm gonna do some action stuff with my skateboard. And we're also gonna test now, so you can see the difference on the slow motion and the super slow motion, which is a new thing on the new Samsung Galaxy S9. It's 960 frames per second, and this is crazy because you're gonna see, we're gonna show you also how to use it, because it's not like the regular slow motion, but it just looks like you're stopping for an instant. So let's check it. So this is really good. This is slow motion, 240 frames per second. And now we're gonna move on to the super slow motion, and this is insane. So you use it this way. You're gonna have to go on the super slow motion mode. You can choose automatic, which means when you get into this square thing, it's gonna get in slow-mo. For portrait, this one is pretty cool because it chooses automatically when it's gonna start the slow motion. And for example, now I got here, Etienne, start filming. Yes, now we got it. So oh yeah, Etienne, looking good. Yeah. God. So this is the first mode. I'm gonna give my phone to Etienne on the manual mode. So it means he's gonna press once to start filming, and when he wants to capture the super slow motion, he presses another time on the other button, and then he captures it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah. Are you ready?
C'est quoi alors?
Je vais faire genre ça, comme ça, et faire genre. Okay. Sans me péter le pied. Alright, so this was the review of the slow motion and super slow motion, and now we're gonna head back to Lausanne, have lunch. On the way there we're gonna stop by and make some cool videos for you, so you can see all edit in slow motion. Check it out. This is impressive. I love slow motions. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my preview of the Samsung Galaxy S9, and I will see you soon for more adventures. Bye bye!